it's Alina, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm testing out Carbon Coco, which is a teeth whitening company. They are vegan and cruelty free, and I'm really excited to talk about this because this is the first brand that has ever sent me something to review. And I'm not being paid to talk about this. I can give my 100% honest opinion. It's gone viral all over Facebook and Instagram. And if this doesn't ring a bell, then if you remember the videos of people brushing their teeth with like this black stuff, that's it. In the pack you get the Carbon Coco Natural Teeth Whitening Original. This is the one I've seen where everyone dips their toothbrush in it and it's this black stuff. That's what this one is. Then you get the Spearmint Carbon Coco Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. This is the original one. And of course a toothbrush. I'm going to leave their website down below if you're interested in these products. But without further ado, let's get on and get into this video. I am so excited to try these out. So I think everyone likes their teeth to look nice and white and bright. Personally, I haven't ever had mine, you know, professionally whitened or gone to the dentist and had them whitened. I've had them cleaned and that kind of thing. But I've just kind of used a normal toothpaste. I brush them morning and night. And I do a pretty decent job, I'd say. I probably do about 5 minutes worth of brushing before I rinse my mouth out. I have used teeth whitening toothpaste in the past, but they've kind of made my teeth feel really weak, so I've stopped using them. I know that these are all made out of really natural ingredients. I know this brand really strives on that. So this is like the safer alternative to whitening your teeth, and I really hope it works because whitening, like chemically whitening, really scares me. So if this really does work and it's charcoal, apparently you see results within 7 to 14 days, so I'm going to leave all my updates in the description box. Obviously I'm just testing it out today, but just keep coming back to this video for those updates. Let's get into it. I'm really excited. We're going to start off with the Carbon Coco Original Natural Teeth Whitening. This is the one that you've probably seen everywhere. Ooh, I'm scared to open it. If I can try to show you, it's just black powder. So apparently it has zero taste and smell. Can definitely tell you it has no smell. Just reading from my phone, it says that this is made with finely milled organic coconut and activated charcoal and lemon myrtle and that kind of thing, so all really beautiful natural ingredients. So you get a little instruction card, and it's what I'm going to be going off. It says to wet toothbrush, then dip into the jar, which is this one. Brush your teeth for 3 minutes, spit out and rinse, and then brush with the toothpaste for 3 minutes after. So I've got my little glasses in front of me. One is filled with water and one is to rinse my mouth out. I'm just going to dip my little toothbrush. So I'm going to dip my toothbrush in the jar so it's got it all over it. So I'm just going to set my timer now, and I'm just going to start brushing for 3 minutes. So start. Let's go. Oh my, cool. So this happened. Love that for me. I have no idea why I wore lipstick, but you know, that's what you do. Okay, now I can talk. I just took off my lipstick and put on some gloss because my lips had black stuff all over them. I can confirm that there is no taste, but kind of feels like a little bit sandy, but not as thick as sand. It's like a, I don't know, yeah, basically feels like what it would feel like if you crushed up charcoal and ate it. This is the immediate after. I feel like it kind of is in my gaps, but I think that's why you do the toothpaste after. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now we're going to use the activated charcoal toothpaste. This is Spearmint Original. This toothpaste actually doesn't contain fluoride, which is really great. And just like the other one, it contains active charcoal, so really natural ingredients and that kind of thing. Apparently it's actually black and then turns to white as you brush your teeth, so I'm really excited. These are really cool products. Like, even if they don't work, which I'm not saying they haven't, I'm not giving my review just yet, but I just think they're really fun. Like, it makes something so boring exciting. And once again, results should show within 14 days. So instructions say basically just apply like a normal toothpaste. So it comes out white. It comes out black. So this is a 3-minute timer again, and I've just set it, so let's start. Okay, Putting a timer on has made me realize that I definitely don't brush my teeth for 5 minutes. That is the complete process over and done with. Teeth are feeling so squeaky clean. I'm not gonna lie, I'm someone that strives for that squeaky clean feeling on my teeth every single day and night, and this is definitely giving me that feeling. And this is the result after the toothpaste. Cool. This is definitely minty fresh. Unlike the tooth polish, which had no taste at all, this one definitely had a minty taste to it. It was actually really pleasant and nice. I definitely feel like my breath would smell fresh. Obviously we're not going to see results straight away, but as I said, I'm going to use this every single day for 2 weeks. I might even go into a 3rd week just to see, and I will update down in the comments every single week. So make sure you keep coming back to this video and checking that out. I love the purpose behind this brand. I think it's really cool that they're doing something different. They're not just doing the old, you know, whitening toothpaste, whatever, there's 1,000 of them. They're actually doing something really fun and different, and I love that. I think it's amazing that they're vegan and cruelty free, and I love that the ingredients are all natural and really safe to use. I will leave the links and where you can buy this down below. I have a really exciting giveaway coming up. It's going to be a Christmas giveaway, and I'm actually going to be including the Ultimate Carbon Kit. So all these things that I used today, the toothpaste, the polish, and the toothbrush. I don't really want to show you that. Obviously it's going to be a new one, and I'm going to chuck in a whole other range of things that you can win. To enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below, and give me any comment, just as long as it's positive. Okay. There's going to be heaps of other opportunities where you can enter in this giveaway. It'll just be the same steps on my videos up until Christmas, so plenty of other times where I can see your name constantly popping up. Hint, hint. P.S. Let me know if you like the new background. Do you like the pink one better? The purple one? I just kind of changed it up. I was kind of getting sick of it. I bought some new ones. I'm going to just be throwing them in there and you guys can decide. So if you want to find me on social media, I'll leave my links down below. Anyways, that's the end of that one. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.